Welcome. A quick one on this 37 question. We are to express the statement R implies S if and only if either R or not S in the symbolic form. And these are the options provided. Now, if you check, this is a biconditional statement. So we are having R implies X, which is also true if S also implies what? R. So we have it in here, we have in here and here. So B will be ignored. Then this is a conditional equivalent what a symbol to mean that either this side is true or the other side is true, meaning this side and this side. So I'll be going for this, and this, meaning B is automatically out of the race. Now, R imply X in the three places. Then we are looking for either R or not S. So the symbol here is looking for or not S. You can see, and it's available in only the A and what? B. Where B, we have already discarded a B. And in the case of this, we don't have not S in any of this. So we are having this imply this equivalent to this symbol mean either. So either R nor S. So you can see symbolically representing R implies X if and only if. You get it? If and only if. The condition is that if and only if this statement is true. So this implies R if and only if as an equivalent statement, not R, and that is going to be not S. So our solution will only be the option what? A. If you have any other explanation to give to this in a different facet, you can also share your thoughts in the comment section as we all learn together. Bye-bye.